Kit again for the Gen 3 kit for the FX Impact and Crown model. As you can see there, it's for both models. So we making steps towards now installation. So just in closing with this portion of the video, I was going to show you how to actually get hold of the instructions to install it, because that's not in the kit, but it's quite conveniently located here. They do mention the link to their website as well, or you can just merely take your phone, open your camera on your phone. Automatically your phone brings up this, you just click on that link and it takes you straight to the Huma website. Conveniently you just scroll down to your specific brand. As you can see, there's Arms, Artemis, BSA, Brocock, there's a ton of them there. You can go through at your own time and read through each model or pick your model. In this instance it's the FX Impact and Crown model. I'm going to click on that and there we go. It opens up the 10-page manual explaining in real detail how to install this. You can't go wrong. But I must add, if you are concerned and you're not too technically challenged, then try it yourself. If you are technically challenged, I recommend that a professional like us or any other airgun workshop installs this for you. It's really not that difficult, but we have found, you know, some guys do struggle technically with these things. So it's not a lot of precision work. It's quite simple if you follow the instructions. Stick to the instructions, you can't go wrong, to put it simply. But there it is, 10 pages of instruction, and enjoy. We'll give you feedback regarding the improvement by installing this kit. Okay, so we also have, as you can see, this is the full seal kit for the impact barrel. It's not just the barrel kit, there are other seals that are part of your regulator as well. Once again, here, as you can see, Huma has their brand or logo all over the product. Simple, go to their website and you can simply go to their website and download also the installation instructions for the barrel kit O-ring set as well. Clearly marked are the part numbers of the kit that you need to install, and just go to the website, download it. It's really simple. Okay, so as you can see, Kyle has got modification disease like certain guys with cars as well. He's modified this gun to the hilt here. And another feature that we just want to show you that might add to your accuracy as such, because I think it's quite essential having something like this. This is made by LT Airguns in Argentina, and I must really compliment Fabricio. Really well done, very good job. Pricing as well, that's really competitive with other brands out there. As you can see here, we're going to install this. It's quite simple. Just remove your inferior or damaged standard rubber stock. I think it's quite poorly made in my opinion. Remove that. For contrast, we're just going to install the silver unit here. And let me just see why I'm struggling to get that in. Screw that back. And now you've got true stability here, because now you've got a tripod setup here. And I think with something like this, you're going to add to the accuracy of your gun and your own capability, because I've noticed in the shop here at our shooting range, people don't tend to hold their gun steady on the bags or the rest, and they try and support the gun at the back using their hands, and obviously that's not really conducive to good accuracy. Something like this, it's just going to add to your own inability for good accuracy. I recommend adding that to your gun as well. Our kit here, quite a nice feature, I think personally, because in my opinion, a lot of accuracy problems are derived from your magazine, whether you've got the standard mag, the side shot mag in this instance. It's got the bracket on the whole toot. There's a lot of extras fitted to this gun. I think personally it's overdone in my opinion, but who am I? So we're just going to show you quickly how to install the FX Impact single shot loader. In this case it's with a .25 caliber, which is clearly marked here as well. So make sure you order the right caliber for your gun, or hopefully we ship the correct caliber to you. Sorry, sometimes we do slip up. It's once again includes a little instruction manual on the business card from Huma. There's the little simple single shot load tray, and I'm going to show you quickly how to install that. That's very simple, really. You don't need to be too bright to do this yourself. Loosen this, pull out your mag, pull the barrel forward, make sure that the barrel is not protruding over here. Pull the barrel forward, you'll see that little indentation as we've already moved the barrel in the forward position. Simply slide the single shot tray in so it's lined up. Make sure you push your barrel back and the barrel is locked in again, and cock your gun's cocking lever, make sure that it works smoothly. And very simple, open the side single shot tray, install your pellet. Make sure that when you're inserting the tray that the pellet doesn't protrude either from the front or the back of the single shot load tray, otherwise you're going to damage your pellet and once again have no accuracy. Generally the guys that shoot competition mostly use single shot actions or load trays due to magazines inadvertently damaging pellets. There we go, it's in the closed position, quite simple, nice and user friendly to open it, and there it is guys, simple.